What's up, you guys? Zo here, and today is prank day. Now, for a lot of you that weren't here for the last video, you got to see Gabe at his angriest.
Hey, is this your fucking water?
That's your fucking water, bitch.
I drink.
No, bullshit. I finished this fucking morning.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah, I saw. You know why I knew?
Oh.
Because it was fucking had sweat on it this fucking morning.
Look at this shit.
So what Gabe suggested is that we pull a prank on him for calling him a fat boy. So this is called the zip tie prank.
Hold up. Yeah.
I'm just gonna get Alfredo back because you know he's kind of been a dick. It's kind of messed up because we kind of made up. Whatever. I'm getting him back. Hey, what's up? So I got everything in the room, or me and Alonzo did. Like, where? Oh yeah, we got like all of his shoes. This guy has a shit ton of pair of shoes. I kid you not. You think I'm exaggerating?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. And then more in the closet under his desk. We got his notebooks. I don't even know if he looks at those. Best part though is the ones on the controller.
Oh no, you didn't.
Like, we probably took that one a little too far. His clothes on the chair. His hanger. Bro, I mean, we just zip tied everything down. Whatever was his. If it had a loop, we even put one in the shower. Yeah, he'll be surprised.
If Alfredo comes, you need to record it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, my problem.
Alfredo, before you say anything, this was all Gabe's idea. This is all Gabe's idea.
No, I'm not going in there. He also tied my detergent. He did his own shoes. Did you do this?
I tied his shoes.
He did mine. He did my Jordans. I did. Oh my gosh. What else? Okay. You touch my Jordans, I'm gonna kill you. I kid you not. I swear you touch these, oh, you're lucky. But you touched my Jordans, Gabe. That means your shit's getting broken. Oh look, your fucking headphones. You see these headphones, Gabe? Oh yeah, Gabe, you see this? You see that? You see that? Yeah. Yeah. See this, Gabe? Call me a savage, Gabe.
Oh my god.
Hey, Fredo,
What?
did you ever think about, his other headphones?
I hope these are the new ones, bro. Oh shit.
X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the
It was at this moment when Alfredo knew he fucked up.
Okay. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
You think the zip ties are funny, Gabe?
Bro, Alonzo got me too, okay? He zip tied my shoes.
Okay.
I realized my mistake.
Oh, I hope you realize. I hope you realize your mistake. I hope you realize never to mess with Alfredo.
I was dumb. What did you do?
I hope you just learn your lesson, not to mess with me again.
Did he give you zip ties?
Huh?
Did he give you zip ties?
And that's childish, bro. That's weak. I taught you a lesson you'll never forget.
Okay,
Hey,
well,
Gabe.
I gotta see
I'm
it
gonna go to
first.
Ivan's room.
See what?
I'm going to Ivan's room.
You gotta see what, Gabe?
Fuck that.
Wait,
Leave me alone.
Alfredo,
Go
what,
into Lonzo's room.
what did you tell him?
I got the key. Go into Alonzo's room.
Why? Why do you want to know? Room.
Move.
No, he's gonna show you.
Oh, okay.
Wait, show him what?
I don't know, whatever you want to show him.
I didn't... Come here, Gabe.
Let me see.
It's great this way.
Gabe. You even said it yourself before we even got here. You deserved it.
Okay, so you remember where we ended off, right?
Okay.
Before you say anything, this is all Gabe's idea. This is all Gabe's idea. He also tied my detergent. He did his own shoes. Did you do this?
Oh yeah, the fucking.
I tied his shoes. He did mine. He did my Jordans. I did. Oh my gosh. And what else? Okay. Touch my Jordans. I'm gonna kill you. I kid you not. I swear you touch these, oh, you're lucky. You touch my Jordans, Gabe.
Oh
Your
yeah.
shit's getting broken. Oh look, your fucking headphones. See these headphones?
You're paying for another.
Oh yeah, Gabe, you see this? You see that? You see that? Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
You're paying for another. Oh wait.
See this, Gabe? Call me a savage, Gabe.
Dude. Like, I
It's
can't
not
even
over.
explain how childish you are.
What?
Did you ever think about, his other headphones?
I hope these are the new ones, bro.
Dude, you honestly act like a fucking kid.
It was at this moment when Alfredo knew he fucked up.
So this is where the video ends.
Straight
Okay.
up. You know how, dude, okay. Think about it like an adult. Did I break anything of yours? Was it permanently damaged? Was
Dude.
it? Was it?
I don't know.
Okay. It wasn't. You owe me new headphones. Same ones.
That's it.
What if it's just a prank?
What if it's just a prank, Gabe?
What if it's just a prank?
Dude, that's not a prank.
It's not a prank.
That's destroying your
is
property.
damage to company property.
That doesn't belong to you.
What if it's a
What
prank?
if it's a prank?
Okay, that's like saying, okay, I'm gonna throw your TV down. It's a prank. I'm gonna I wanna kill I wanna kill someone's dog. Oh, it's a prank.
Oh, just take it easy, man.
But Gabe,
There's limits.
this one's a prank.
This one's a prank though.
Alfredo, the reveal.
Okay.
Oh, what? How the fuck did you do that?